I will show you an app which you can download on Google Store or Apple Store that you can actually see free Forex signal that has entry price, take profit and stop loss. But these signals are 50 to 60% accuracy. I can actually guarantee you that because I am not the one that provides the signal on the app. But if you're looking for a profitable signal, I want to welcome you to my community where I give free Forex signals and mentorship mostly on major currency pairs. If you like trading EURUSD, GBPUSD, AUDUSD, I want to welcome you because in my community, I drop signals every week that you can actually make money from. In my trading community, you will also meet other traders. About 170 traders are trading every single day, making money alongside with me. For you to join the community, the link will be in the description. Just join the WhatsApp group right there and you'll have access to the community. If you like videos like this, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification. This is how to download the Forex Signal app. Just click on the search icon on your Play Store, whether Apple Store or Google Store. Go on the search and just type in Forex Signals. Once you type in Forex Signals, you will see this particular one that says Forex Signals Live, Buy and Sell. There are so many other Forex Signal trading app here, but I don't recommend this thing. But for the purpose of this video, I just have to show you because some of these signals are not guaranteed. If you're looking for a quality signals that will make you money, you just have to join my community because I do analysis, I do live sessions, and explain why I'm taking those signals. So just click on the app. Once you do that, you can actually see over 1 million people are using this app, and there are a lot of ratings. It's currently at 4.6 ratings. Though some people also rate badly as well, but generally there's a lot of more positive ratings. Let's just click on it and download it so I can actually show you everything you need to know about this particular Signal app. Like I said, I am not guaranteeing this. I'm just sharing this with you because of the purpose of this video. But the best thing you can actually do for yourself is to engage in a community where you can actually learn how to become a profitable trader. So let's open the app. So here is the app. So let's click on OK. As you can see, there's going to be running some ads, but don't worry. So let's go back. So let's select a time zone that works for us. I'm selecting my time based on where I am. It makes sense for you to select this time zone because they're going to be sending you signals that are more valid. You know, this is some of the problem people are having from different time zones. Someone can send a signal and you are sleeping, and if you wake up, you'll be like, should I take this signal? But if you select a good time zone, you can actually get a good signal. So let me select UTC time, which is favorable to my own time. So as you can see, these are the signals. You can see CAD JPY, GBP JPY, USD CHF. You can actually see this one is still active, almost at take profit one. This is ads, just remove it. But you can actually pay to upgrade, but I don't recommend this. You can actually see the signal is still active. Profitability is 66%. You can actually go back. These are all the signals. The beauty part of this is that they provide entry price, stop loss, and take profit. Just click on the CAD JPY. So let's see what happens here. You'll be dealing with a lot of ads right here. Just click on the X button so you just take those ads away. So this is the information about this signal. You can see the opening time. This is when they gave out the signal. You can see the entry price, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. But right now the trade is still active. You can actually take this trade, but I don't recommend these guys. This is just for the purpose of this video. But if you want to get a profitable signal, just join my community. The link will be in the description below. So this is all it, guys. You can actually see some expired signals. You can actually scroll down and see many more signals, and this is free. Now you can actually pay for the VIP, but I don't recommend this. You're doing it at your own risk. If you got value from this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and join my community. The link will be in the description below. You can actually see some of the trades that hit take profit, take profit, take profit. That's a lot. So guys, that's all for this video. See you next time.